Namaste everybody, welcome aboard Green Living Path. It's awesome to see everybody. This video is about how to become unstoppable at everything you do. It basically boils down to your heart and your mind. When they work together in resonance, when you're putting your heart into everything and your mind, it's like you've got this synergy that amplifies your whole being. So heart and mind. So when you wake up in the morning, first thing, mindset. I am so grateful. I'm an unstoppable, infinite being. That's my essence. That's my truth. Then straight away get into meditation, exercise. So that's how I roll. Meditation. Then I'll do exercises, cardio, salute to the sun. I'll do burpees. I'll do asanas, postures, headstand, upside down lotus, inversion with lotus, pushing up, so I've got strength. I do press ups, I do sit ups. So this gives me straight away, it gets me out of my mind, my ego and attachment. You need to be reframing, you need to be talking to yourself and not letting negative thoughts come in. So when a negative thought comes in, I'm an infinite being. I'm unstoppable. I'm proactive. Writing down your day as a blueprint. Each day have a blueprint of what you want to do. This is building your character, building you as an unstoppable being, guys. We're all spiritual beings having a physical experience in the physical plane. After all, people ask me, what's this all about? What's this all about? Why are we here? Why do we need to be here? Why don't I just, So how do you know what chocolate would taste like if you weren't here? I love chocolate, guys. So also they ask me, what's the whole point? We're here to evolve spiritually every single day. We've got the 6 pillars that I've mentioned. Spiritual abundance, mental abundance, physical abundance, relationship abundance, financial abundance, and oneness. Finally, the last one, oneness. So the sooner we connect to the field, to our alignment, heart, mind, field, and become aligned each day with that, using meditation, using breathing techniques, using burpees, salute to the sun, asanas, inversions to get our brain, our 4 ventrals in our brain doing a headstand, engorged with cerebral spinal fluid and oxygenating your brain. Okay? Eating clean, guys. Now, another big thing is whatever pulls you down vibrationally, and I'm talking people, I'm talking drugs, I'm talking food, I'm talking hanging around with negative people, walk away from. Because if you're in the process every single day of building on up, you want to be walking away from anything that pulls you down. Be mindful of that. You want to be resonating to your highest potential each day and constantly expanding that resonance, that lifting your vibration. Okay? So, for example, you may be somebody that wants a beautiful relationship with a beautiful person. You see this beautiful lady or this beautiful man walking down the street. They've got this energy around them. They've got this vibe that they're beautiful. They're radiating love and happiness and joy. You're overweight. You're unhappy. You're looking at things through a negative lens. You're taking things that are pulling you down vibrationally, alcohol, drugs. Hanging around with people that are always knocking other people and blaming everybody else but not themselves. But you want to be with this person? This person's vibration is up here resonating and you're vibrating down here. It's not going to happen, guys. You need to lift your vibration up to resonate with that person. Okay? So what happens is it's like a cell phone. For example, you've got a particular number you want to ring to. That number connects to that person's phone. It goes through the ether to a repeating tower. The repeating tower keeps the signal, amps it up, and then sends it through to the phone. So your number is in resonance vibrationally with that number in the field. So then all of a sudden the other person answers and you can speak to them. But you need to resonate with who you want to become. You need to become the person you want to become. So for example, people say, oh, how can I meet my special partner? How can I meet, and then my loving, I want this beautiful, and then I say, write down all the things that you want in a partner, 10 things. So they write it down and they're all happy and joyous, and they give me the 10 things that they've written down. And then I say to them, all right, go through all the 10 things. You need to become each of those qualities in your character, manifest all those qualities before you get that person. Simple. Oh, it's too hard. No. It's step by step by step by step, guys. Break it all down into little steps each day, little steps, bit by bit by bit by bit, drop by drop by drop, fills a whole massive swimming pool. You need to become that person if you want this amazing life to become unstoppable. All the things that are happening to you in a negative way, they're blessings. They're actually blessings to teach you that you're not on the right path, that you need to be keeping on moving on up. The next day I've got a hangover from drinking or from taking drugs or from all this stuff. That's the universe and yourself saying you're not on the right path. You're feeling like shit, guys. So each day, use reframing, saying you're an infinite being. Use meditation. Use exercise. Use talking compassionately to yourself. Looking at the positive things in life. Writing down action steps every single day. And crossing those action steps off every single day. So that you can become unstoppable. And that's how you build an unstoppable person, your character, using your heart, mind, soul, connecting with the field and aligning that every single day to become unstoppable, guys, to become this beautiful, radiant, loving being that you can be. No excuses. Every day you're taking step by step by step by step to it. There's people in prison that are fitter than you. There's people in prison that are more happy than you. Why? Because it's their mindset. They have to face themselves. They're facing themselves every single day. I've had to face myself every single day being a yogi. Not running away from it. Getting in the closet. Facing your demons. If you've got tears running down your face, still face them. So that's why I'm giving all this knowledge, trying to help others, because I've had to face it. And I realise now that all these things that have been thrown at me have made me who I am. Just like all the things that have been thrown at you, if you use them to grow. So the thicker the mud, the more beautiful the lotus flower glides. So I really hope that this helped. Boop, subscribe. And there's a book I've written, a novel. I've written 5 novels and I've got 18 books online. So let's go, guys. Let's keeping on, moving on up and expanding our paradigm every single day. And have love for yourself.